Hi, welcome to Travel Plan. I'm Michael. On today's episode, we're visiting the beautiful Spanish Steps. I'm here at Piazza Navona, right in the middle of Rome. And because of that, best place to start our walk. If all you want to do is see the Spanish Steps, no problem. It's about 15 minutes from here. However, if you're interested in a few more sites, and who isn't, then I've organized a route that includes an additional 5 stops. Those sites include Via del Coronari, Piazza del Popolo, the Borghese Gardens, the Borghese Gallery, Palazzo Barberini, and then we end at the Spanish Steps. Because we're walking a little bit farther, it's going to take a little bit longer. It's going to be about an hour, but it's well worth it. First stop, Via del Coronari. It's about 5 minutes from here. Let's get going.
To exit Piazza Navona, head north. On Piazza di Tor Sanguigno, make a left and continue straight to Via dei Coronari. Ignore the bend in the street to the right.
I'm here on Via del Coronari. So Via del Coronari is named after the Coronari, who were sellers of rosary and other religious items to pilgrims who made their way down this route to St. Peter's Basilica. So Via del Coronari flourished during the Renaissance when noble families and wealthy bankers built their townhomes all along its length. The architecture on this street is a rare blend of Gothic and Renaissance. Today, Via del Coronari is known for its art galleries, antique shops, and great restaurants. You might want to come at night though, it's a little more lively. You might also recognize Via del Coronari for such movies as Roman Holiday and Angels and Demons. I hope you enjoyed your walk down Via del Coronari. Our next stop is Piazza del Popolo. It's about 20 minutes from here.
Head north. Tevere Marzio, make a right. This street will follow the river. On Ponte Cavour, make a right. Then make a quick left on Via di Ripetta, which will lead you directly into Piazza del Popolo.
I'm here at Piazza del Popolo, a beautiful square here in Rome. So most people think popolo means people, but it actually comes from the Latin meaning populus, or the poplar trees once planted around the Church of Santa Maria del Popolo by Emperor Hadrian. The twin churches, Santa Maria de Miracoli and Santa Maria in Monte Santo, aren't truly identical. They were designed to look the same from a distance using architectural tricks. One has an oval dome, the other circular. Their facades are nearly identical, which creates the illusion of symmetry. The twin churches mark the beginning of Rome's famous trident, the 3 streets that radiate out. In the center, you have the Via del Corso, on the left, the Via del Balbuino, and on the right, the Via de Ripetta. Just inside the Porta del Popolo, the massive gates there at the north end, you'll find a small chapel designed by Bernini meant to welcome Queen Christina of Sweden when she abdicated her crown to convert to Catholicism. You'll also find the Church of Santa Maria del Popolo, which contains major works by Caravaggio, Raphael, and Bernini. Inside you'll find Caravaggio's The Conversion of St. Paul, The Crucifixion of St. Peter, the Chigi Chapel, that was in Angels and Demons, partially designed by Raphael, and includes Bernini's Habakkuk and the Angel. In the center of the piazza, you'll find the Flaminian Obelisk. It was brought to Rome from Egypt by Emperor Augustus in 10 BC to celebrate his conquest of Egypt. It originally stood at the Circus Maximus. It's over 24 meters tall and one of the oldest in Rome. The hieroglyphics on it celebrate the life of Pharaoh Ramses II.
Piazza del Popolo is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making it accessible at any time. However, nearby attractions do have specific visiting hours. But the best time to visit is during the early morning or late afternoon when the light is ideal for photography and the square is less crowded. The summer months can be particularly busy, so visiting during the shoulder seasons of the spring and fall can provide a more relaxed experience.
I hope you enjoyed the Piazza del Popolo. Our next stop are the Borghese Gardens. They're a little bit over a 5-minute walk from here.
In the northeast corner of Piazza del Popolo, you'll find stairs leading up to the Via Borghese Gardens. They are known as the Pincio Steps. The Pincio Steps will lead you to the Pincio Terrace, which is the start of the Via Borghese Gardens.
I'm here at the Borghese Gardens. So these gardens cover over 80 hectares, making it the third largest public park in Rome. So the gardens were developed by Cardinal Scipione Borghese, who, by the way, was a nephew of Pope Pius V. The gardens are filled with ancient sculptures, fountains, and replicas of classical monuments designed to echo the grandeur of Rome. One of the most photographed spots is the Temple of Aesculapius. It's a small temple by the lake designed to honor the Greek god of healing. You'll also find the Globe Theatre, a replica of Shakespeare's London Playhouse built in 2003 for outdoor performances. At the western end of the Borghese Gardens, you'll find the Pincian Terrace, which offers panoramic views of the Piazza del Popolo and the rooftops of Rome.
The Borghese Gardens are open daily from dawn to dusk, typically 7 a.m. to sunset. Entry is free.
I hope you enjoyed your walk through the Borghese Gardens. Our next stop, Borghese Gallery, it's a little bit over 10 minutes from here. Let's get going.
Head east from the Pincio Terrace. Eventually, you'll want to find the Viale del Museo Borghese, which will lead you directly to the Borghese Gallery. As you walk through the beautiful Via Borghese Gardens, be sure to take in all the sights. But don't miss the Fontana del Museo Salvato dall'Acqua, the water clock of the Via Borghese Gardens, and the Tempio Esculapio.
I'm here at the Borghese Gallery. It's a beautiful building. So the Via Borghese Princiana was built in the early 1600s by Cardinal Scipione Borghese, who was a passionate art collector and nephew to Pope Paul V. So the museum officially opened to the public in 1903 when the Italian state acquired it from the Borghese family. The museum is best known for its extraordinary collection of Bernini sculptures. Among these include the Rape of Proserpina, Apollo and Daphne, and David, each filled with movement, emotion, and technical brilliance. Bernini's Apollo and Daphne captures the exact moment that Daphne's fingers are turning into leaves. It's one of the more celebrated works in the Baroque era. The museum also has a room dedicated to Caravaggio, which includes Boy with a Basket of Fruit, St. Jerome, and David with a Head of Goliath.
The Borghese Gallery is open from Tuesday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. There is no entry after 5 p.m. Admission is €26.
I hope you enjoyed the Galleria Borhese. Our next stop is Palazzo Barberini. It's about 20 minutes from here, so let's get going.
As you exit the Via Borghese, head down Viale del Museo Borghese. On Viale San Paolo del Brasil, make a left. Cross Piazzale Brasile towards the large wall in front of you, known as the Porta Pinciana. Walk through the Porta Pinciana and veer slightly to the right to continue along the Via del Porto Pinciana. This will eventually become the Via Francesco Crispi. On Via Sistina, make a left. As you cross Via del Tritone, Via Sistina becomes Via del Quattro Fontane. The Barberini Museum will be on your left.
I'm standing in front of Palazzo Barberini. What a beautiful building. So Palazzo Barberini was begun in 1627 for Maffeo Barberini, who later became Pope Urban VIII. The building was designed by three of the greatest architects of their era, Maderno, Bernini, and Borromini. The result is a Baroque masterpiece of symmetry, space, and theatrical flair, with long hallways, central courtyards, and grand staircases. The palace holds one of Rome's most important collections of Renaissance and Baroque painting. One of the crown jewels is Raphael's La Fornarina, a mysterious portrait believed to depict the baker's daughter he loved. The museum also holds several Caravaggios, including Judith beheading Holofernes. Despite its quiet reputation, Palazzo Barberini is a must for art lovers and is often overlooked by tourists, making it feel like a private discovery.
Palazzo Barberini is open Tuesday through Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. It is closed on Mondays and closed on December 25th and January 1st. A combined ticket for Palazzo Barberini and Galleria Corsini is available for €15 and it's valid for 20 days.
I hope you enjoyed the Palazzo Barberini and its collection of artwork. Our next stop is just as impressive, the Spanish Steps. It's about 10 minutes from here. Let's get going.
Make a right on Via delle Quattro Fontane. On Via Tritoni, make a left. On Via de Due Macelli, make a right. This street will lead you directly to the Piazza di Spagna and the Spanish Steps.
I'm here at the Spanish Steps. The Spanish Steps were completed in 1725 and designed by architect Francesco de Santis. They were funded by the French as a gift to the city. It was the most ambitious staircase of its time, designed to connect two powerful nations, the Bourbon kings of France with the Papal State. So the Spanish Steps connect the Piazza di Spagna below with the Church of Trinita de Monte at the top. The name Spanish Steps actually comes from the Spanish embassy to the Holy See, which was and still is located here in the Piazza di Spagna. The church, Trinta de Monti, is actually French, not Spanish. It was built under the patronage of King Louis XII of France. So the Spanish stairs are actually French stairs that lead to a French church, but are named after the Spanish.
The Spanish Steps are open to the public 24 hours a day, year-round. No ticket is required.
I hope you enjoyed our walk today, from beautiful piazzas to grand palazzos, and ending here at the Spanish Steps. If you enjoyed the route, please like and subscribe the video, and as always, step by step, let's explore together. I'll see you on the next video.